Hello friends. Today I am going to show you how to recolor artwork. Create a new document. I'm going to paste my artwork here. This is my artwork. Floral wreath drawing with ice blue background. Create another copy of the wreath. You can use a shortcut. Select the floral wreath. Hold the Alt key from the keyboard and drag it away, and release the keys. Select it and click on the Edit menu. Click Edit Colors and click Recolor Artwork. Now select your color palette. I choose this color palette. This is the finished version.